Hi, in this demo video, I'd like to show you how you can customize assessments and use them in Class Composer. So from the admin dashboard, click on Assessments. And during the setup process, this is where you're putting the labels into the system for the student card primarily. So in this example, I'm using Reading A to Z, and that's the abbreviation. I'll put in the full text here. And then this will be for all grades, and I'll click Add. Now, this is going to be available to put assessment scores in for this category. And it will look like this on the student card. So now I just added that label. And when you hover over, you can see the full text. And this is where I can insert data directly. So maybe it's the middle of the year, and I'll put 24, and I'll save that. There's also another way to do this in bulk. So when you're setting up your school for the first time, you can use our assign assessments to do this work through a CSV sheet. So you can click here, and that will create the steps to walk you through to formulate the sheet so you can import it back in, and that'll populate all the assessment scores for all the students in a grade level. The other way you can do it is kind of customized by one at a time. So here's Ariana Carlton, and I entered that in directly, but maybe I want to go in and just, instead of doing a sheet, I can just go in and update the scores directly here and then save, and that's going to show up in Ariana's card. Okay. And the benefit of having this here is it becomes accessible on the digital data wall. So I'm going to run through Compose, and this is second grade. And I'm going to run Compose and click OK. And this is available also just on the regular current year digital data wall also. But now, as I run Compose, this is the new distribution of students that we have done as the initial sort. And now it's, let me look at the scores to make some decisions based on placement, based on assessment scores. So this is the DRA for Ariana, but this is kind of the updated Reading A to Z. And I haven't done that for the other students, but you can kind of see how that will come out in real time. And this is valuable for creating class lists, but it's also valuable during the year on the digital data wall in the current year mode when you are looking at student progress, student scores. This is a great way to do some nice data analytics really quickly and efficiently. Thank you very much.